Breast pumping can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're a new mom trying to figure everything out while caring for your baby. The good news is that pumping does get easier with the right tips, routine, and mindset. First, let's talk about choosing the right breast pump. If you're pumping occasionally, a manual or single electric pump may work. But if you're pumping daily or returning to work, a double electric pump can save time and help maintain your milk supply. Make sure the flange size fits correctly. A poor fit can cause pain, nipple damage, and low milk output. Timing matters more than you think. The best time to pump is usually early in the morning when milk supply is highest. If you're exclusively pumping, aim to pump every 2 to 3 hours, similar to a newborn's feeding schedule. Skipping sessions can signal your body to make less milk. Before you start pumping, prepare your body. Wash your hands, find a comfortable and quiet space, and relax. Stress can reduce milk flow, so take deep breaths or look at your baby's photo or video. Gentle breast massage or warm compresses before pumping can help trigger letdown and increase milk output. While pumping, make sure you're comfortable. Sit upright with good back support. Start with a low suction setting and gradually increase it to a level that feels strong but not painful. Pumping should never hurt. If it does, stop and adjust the settings or flange size. Don't be discouraged if you don't see much milk at first. This is completely normal, especially in the early weeks. Milk supply builds with consistency. Even pumping small amounts sends a powerful signal to your body to make more milk. After pumping, store your milk safely. Use clean storage bags or bottles and label them with the date and time. Freshly pumped breast milk can stay at room temperature for a few hours, in the refrigerator for several days, and in the freezer for longer storage. Always follow safe storage guidelines. Cleaning your pump parts is essential. After each session, wash all parts that touch milk with warm soapy water and allow them to air dry completely. Keeping your pump clean protects your baby and keeps your milk safe. Finally, remember this: pumping is hard work, and every drop of milk you provide is an achievement. Whether you pump once a day or exclusively, you are doing an amazing job. Be kind to yourself, stay consistent, and don't hesitate to reach out for support if you need it.